Hello everyone. Welcome back with the last Sudoku. This Sudoku is a tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese, and this will be a number 1357. The last Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on it's Saturday, August the 15th of 2020. Last one, Tectonic one, a.k.a. Suguru. So let's get started. And the first question is, do you see here a single box? I see here the single box, so automatically this will be a 1. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here or could be there. Do we have a dual boxes? Yeah, dual box, 1 or 2, 1 or 2. Then triple box, 1, 2, and 3. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. We have a 3 here. That means these 2 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 4 are left. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. We have a 3 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. The 3 could be here or could be there. We have a 1 here. That means these 2 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. That means this box cannot be a 3 because I need a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. If I place a 3 here, I cannot place a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 4 and this should be a 3. 4, 3. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 5 here. That means these 3 boxes cannot be a 5. The 5 could be here or could be there. We have a we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2. The 2 goes here or there. We have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. The 3 goes here or there. One of the 2. Let me think. This is a difficult part. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or could be there. But in this box, I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 should be here. So 3, 1, and the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left. The 1, I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be the 2. We have a 2 here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. Same like here. Surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 4 and a 5 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes together as a pair with the 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left here for the 5. Then we have a 2 here. That means these 4 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. That means these 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So we have a 2 in those 2 boxes. Then this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or could be there. 3. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so 2 boxes left for the 3 should be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 2 and the 5 are left. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 2, 3, 4, 1 or 5. This box could be 1 or 5. Let me mark them. 1 or 5. 1. This box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 2, definitely. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 1, the 4, and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, so this box cannot be a 5. 2 boxes left for the 5 here or there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. The 3 should be here or there. Well, the difficult part now. 1, 5, 4. This box 1, 4, 5. Let me think. This box cannot be a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. This box 4 or 5. Yeah. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, it's a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. This box should be the 4 and this should be a 2. We have a 4 here, so these 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 should be there. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright, so this box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them, 1 and the 5, and this should be the 3. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 5. 1 or 5. So it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, and cannot be a 5. So this should be a 4. This cannot be a 5 also. I've here a 5 here and a 5 there. That means this box cannot be a 5, otherwise I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be here. So 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. My pencil is almost broke. This box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so it must be the 4. And this should be a 1. That means I've marked this box with 1 or 5. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. Let me mark them, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, also cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so this should be the 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in these 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 goes in these 2 boxes. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it must be the 5, and this one should be the 1. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 2 and the 3 as a pair goes in those 2 boxes. And I've eliminated the 5 because we have a pair, 2, 3, 2, 3, so the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left for the 3. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be the 3. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2. This should be the 2, and this should be the 4. Ooh, 3 numbers now. 3 numbers left. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. The 1 and the 5 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 40 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Tectonic one. Thumbs up if you like this, thumbs down if you dislike it. And you can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it for yourself. Thank you again for watching this video. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button if you want to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time. Maybe the quintuplet. I will see. It's a tough one, so otherwise, have a great weekend. See you on Monday then. Bye bye.